How do you differ from Octoshape? Do you ever get that question from customers?
So Octoshape is yet another type of distribution. It's another type of distribution. It's more like on a working with that. But think about a multicast enabled network, right?
Yep.
And focus on a true multicast solution, right? One that's going to be integrated into that network environment that works on that IP within the network environment. And there are a number of different solutions that are out there that can deliver. The question is, does it fall into a common enterprise streaming infrastructure?
Right.
Will it work with everything? Will it be, is it integrated into the applications that you already want to use? Is it seamless to those end users, right? So if I am in a situation where I am, like all of us are in, we're in the corporate office, there's a multicast enable, and I get to see the multicast when I bring it up. I then go out to a branch office, and maybe multicast isn't enabled at that point.
Right.
Well, from the user perspective, I don't want to see anything different. I don't want to have a different infrastructure there. Well, with a common enterprise streaming infrastructure, maybe then I can be able to use either a caching at that point, or maybe even a unicast over at that point.
Right.
But the key here is the end user should be absolutely transparent to what that underlying infrastructure is.
Yeah,
just like today, what you use with any of your IP-based applications.
Right.
The end user shouldn't have to worry about that.
Yeah.
So that's what the component of the common enterprise streaming infrastructure does.